Hi, Dave Hillier here of BathtubResurfacing.ca. We're here at a customer's house to refinish our bathtub and tile. A regular bathtub takes about 4 hours to complete. A bathtub and tile takes about 6 hours. So how do we go from this to this, a bathtub and tile refinish in 1 day? We're going to start by taking off the caulking around the bathtub and tile, down the sides, often along the floor as well. We do an acid etch on it. It's all about cleaning. We have our own specialized cleaning products. We cover everything in the bathtub, the floors, the toilet, the sinks. We have a fan that comes in to take away the overspray, ducks out another window or door. So why not rip out your old bathtub and put a new one in? The problem with ripping out a bathtub is a fuss and a mess of about 3 days. What we do in refinishing is quick, easy, doesn't bother your neighbors, and it can be done in 1 day. Our bathtub resurfacing can be used in 24 hours. Comes with a 5-year warranty against lifting, blistering, peeling, matters of adhesion. Rusty drains, we have new drain kits to be installed as well. Sinks, whether cultured marble or enamel, can also be resurfaced. These countertops can also be resurfaced, giving it a fresh new look. We can add in your cabinet doors, the frames, to a nice white glossy look. About us, we're a father-son team. We service from West Vancouver to Abbotsford. We've been in business for 12 years. Call us and we can save you money.